Any noises?
Water, oil, denture cleanser, food coloring, and shampoo paint glass.
Okay. All right. So the first thing we want to do is we want to pour oil into here. Covering off her hands. Why do you have on gloves, Kendon?
Keep food coloring off my hands
Okay. And why is there a mat on the table?
to not make a mess.
Keep going. How far are we going to fill that up?
Halfway.
Okay. And next, we want to fill up with water, right? And stop. So we have 1/3 water to 2/3 oil, about that. Now we want to take some of the food coloring you want to take the color. So take the cap off and make sure you're doing it over the mat because you don't want to spill the food coloring because that's the part that stains. Put like 5 drops in there. In different places. Spread them out. Now let's get some denture cleaner. Do it. There you go. There you go. Go ahead, drop it in. Do you see that? Does that look neat?
Yeah.
What does that look like to you?
A tornado.
Kind of looks like a lava lamp. I wonder what would happen if you put another one in there. What does it smell like, Kendon? Does it smell like anything? Oh, you can't smell. I forgot. Do you hear anything?
Grandpa.
Any noises? Or is it quiet?
It's quiet.
So what do you think is happening? Why do you think the oil stayed on top of the water? Water is heavier than oil.
Yeah.
So it's the difference between how oil and water molecules are made, right?
Yeah.
And why do you think it's fizzing right now? This is what happened when we put in the denture cleaner.
It's starting to